For over a decade, Israel's Iron Dome was seen as nearly impenetrable, a symbol of technological supremacy in air defense. But now, that image has been shattered. Iran has done the unthinkable. Its missiles, drones, and possibly even hypersonic weapons have breached the world's most praised missile shield. How did this happen? Has Israeli air defense become outdated? Or has Iran developed a new, more lethal strategy? In today's video, we break down exactly how Iran managed to breach Israel's powerful air defense systems and what this means for the future of warfare in the Middle East. Introduction, background of the conflict ***. A bloody conflict between Iran and Israel has entered its sixth day. It all began last Friday, when Israel launched airstrikes on Tehran and suspected Iranian nuclear facilities, claiming Iran was secretly developing a nuclear weapon, a claim Tehran continues to deny. Since then, intense retaliation followed. According to official numbers, at least 224 people have been killed in Iran and 24 in Israel. However, independent organizations report the death toll could be as high as 585 in Iran alone. Amid this chaos, something shocking happened. Iran's missiles broke through Israel's highly advanced, multi-layered air defense system, including the famed Iron Dome. Israel's air defense system, how it works ***. Israel's air defense network is not limited to the Iron Dome. It includes several layers. Iron Dome, best known, designed to intercept short-range rockets. David Sling, targets medium to long-range missiles. Arrow 2 and Arrow 3, deal with ballistic missile threats from short to long range. THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense U. MADE, capable of intercepting missiles inside and outside Earth's atmosphere. Together, these systems are designed to offer almost complete aerial protection. But no defense system is 100% foolproof. So, what went wrong? ***, overwhelming missile volume ***, Marina Myron from King's College London explains that the sheer number of missiles fired by Iran overwhelmed Israel's air defense. Iran used a tactic known as saturation. By launching dozens, even hundreds, of missiles and drones at once, it forces the defense systems to exhaust their interceptors. Eventually, some missiles will break through simply because the systems can't handle the volume. Hypersonic and maneuverable weapons ***. Experts believe Iran may have used hypersonic glide vehicles, HGVs, missiles that can travel at extreme speeds and change course mid-flight. This makes them extremely difficult to intercept. As Dr. Marion Messmer of Chatham House explains, if a missile can maneuver during flight, it becomes unpredictable and traditional intercept systems struggle to stop it. Decoys and cyber tactics ***. Iran's Revolutionary Guards claim they employed new deception methods, including decoy drones and electronic interference, to confuse Israeli defense radars. Myron speculates that decoy drones may have caused Israeli defense missiles to target each other, damaging the very system meant to protect the country. Psychological and strategic shock ***. Beyond physical damage, Iran's attack was designed to send a message: even the most advanced technology can fail under pressure. By exposing vulnerabilities in Israel's air defense, Iran has shifted the regional power dynamics, at least psychologically. Psychological and strategic shock ***. Beyond physical damage, Iran's attack was designed to send a message: even the most advanced technology can fail under pressure. By exposing vulnerabilities in Israel's air defense, Iran has shifted the regional power dynamics, at least psychologically. Why this attack was different ***. In past conflicts, Israel's Iron Dome mostly intercepted rockets from Hamas in Gaza, smaller in number, predictable in path, and launched from known positions. This time, Iran used a combination of long-range missiles, drones, potential cyber disruptions, saturation, and confusion tactics. And that made all the difference. Israel's response and future challenges ***. Israeli officials admit their system is highly effective but not invincible. The real concern now is, what if these gaps are exploited by others? Will this lead to a new missile arms race in the region? Will Israel upgrade its systems or invest more in laser weapons and AI-driven interception? Conclusion: the breach of Israel's Iron Dome is a turning point. It's not just a military development, it's a strategic wake-up call. In the age of drone swarms, cyber warfare, and hypersonic missiles, traditional defense systems face new and dangerous realities. Was this just a one-time success by Iran or the beginning of a new era in Middle Eastern warfare? If you found this breakdown insightful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who follow global military developments. What do you think? Has Iran truly exposed Israel's weakness, or is this just a glitch in an otherwise strong system? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into global defense and politics.